Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing about secretlab.co. So basically, what is Secret Lab? It is mainly for gaming chairs. It is mainly for those people who are really interested in gaming, and they just sit there and sit there for hours, and they want some comfortable space so that they can sit peacefully for hours. So here we go, we have Secret Lab here, which is basically for gaming chairs and gaming desk. They are mainly concerned about the gaming. So those people who are really interested in gaming, in buying gaming chairs, this is the best thing for you. They have like really comfortable chairs, as we can see. They are like incredibly comfortable for long hours with best gaming. And let's see the chairs. They also have desks too, and they have also written the material, which is hybrid laterite and signature edition. Let's go to special edition collaboration. Now they have also written, we have like really good detailing, like they have also written the height that you want. They have gave you a lot of options, bunch of options, which has like how much height do you want for your gaming chair, and about the weight of that chair. And this is probably your option to choose. This is like anything you want to choose for yourself, which feels comfortable for you. Look at the quality and everything in this. Look at the colors, they are the best. This is for like pinkish, and this is for like girlish look, and these are really comfortable. If you are a gaming person, this is best for you, as if you sit for hours, this won't be uncomfortable for you. This will be totally comfortable for you. And let's go to the desk. Find about the desk. They have also written your choose your length, the length of your option that you want, and the color that you want. As if we suppose these are the tables, desk of your choice. You can select anything of your choice. You can find accessories too, like chair add-ons, and like these are really comfortable pillow cushion for the support, and these are really in a good cute design. Look at this one, cute designs. They have like logo of Secret Lab. So this is it. Hope you liked my video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next time.